Yo, yun, tagal ko walang video, no? Akala niya, hindi na mag-video, no? What's up, Kuya Noah? Check natin yung 7th Garage Bar. May event dito. Post ko na lang dyan yung poster. Samahan niyo ako. Ganun ulit. Dating daw eh.
Jit! Meron, Jit! Taasan mo lang ako.
Injustice and a corrupt government that fuels unrest. Despite the dark forces at play, the Filipino people are rising. Their voices are powerful war against tyranny and deceit as they confront this evil and march forward with unwavering.
Believe in what you're doing, it's alright. Let us unite this music.
Kamusta?
Yung case niya. Yun na zoom.
Balik kayo.
Nakakonect siya ng pang ano niya.
Say from the east to the west. Say from the east to the west.
Rock on, our hope will be sent. Our they got stop. Hey, I'm all the men salute.
Yun o, tapos lang ng bone. Ayun, may kasama tayo. Yeah, sama natin sa vlog ko. Ang galing pa rin niya solo. Akin na. Solo lang din ako punta rito. Shit. Layo nun, man.
Check. Fight down wickedness to message. Do drop. And I'm in jump. Friendly bullets attack carry some lyrics that flow when they get loaded. Some phrases I know. It's the melody that should shoot.
You're medicated. So feel the bass and the rhythms of my heartbeat. I find myself hydrated. We play with the sound, rock the vibes, keep on dancing in the music. You're medicated.
You know, trip tayo kasama ni Kuya Ching. Yeah.
Trabaho kami.
Eh, trabaho. Hindi, yun. Yun na. Kung ano man nakita nyo, yeah. Kuya Noah. Dito na mag-outro. Peace.